Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 0303, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 0303? What's the symbolism of 0303? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 0303 mean for love? What does 0303 mean for twin flames? What does 0303 for manifestation? How does angel number 0303 affect finances? What does 0303 mean for former relationships? How does 0303 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 0303? What are the weaknesses of angel number 0303? What's the meaning of angel number 0303? Angel number 0303 signifies creativity, communication, and spiritual alignment. It blends the energies of number 3, representing expression, joy, and inspiration, with the amplifying presence of number 0, which stands for spiritual connection and potential. Seeing 0303 is a divine reminder to embrace your creative talents, trust your intuition, and express yourself authentically. It encourages open-mindedness and optimism as you align with your higher purpose. The repeated digits emphasize harmony between mind, body, and spirit, urging you to step into your truth while trusting the universe to support you in your journey of self-expression and personal evolution. What's the symbolism of angel number 0303? Symbolically, angel number 0303 is associated with creative power, divine communication, and energetic renewal. The number 3 symbolizes joy, imagination, and growth, while the 0 enhances spiritual awareness and infinite potential. When combined and repeated, 0303 reflects cycles of inspiration and rebirth. It often appears when you're being called to use your voice, literally or metaphorically, to uplift others and share your vision. It also symbolizes playfulness and the encouragement to live from your heart. The number is a gentle prompt from the universe that you are supported in pursuing dreams that reflect your soul's truth and light. What is the angel number 0303 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 0303 signifies alignment with divine purpose through creative and expressive pathways. The repeated 3s highlight your connection with spiritual guides who urge you to pursue joy, intuition, and soul growth. The 0s represent a spiritual reset or awakening, amplifying your connection to the divine source. This number suggests that you're being guided to express your unique gifts as part of your spiritual evolution. It's also a sign of encouragement, reminding you to stay connected to joy, remain curious, and welcome spiritual messages through dreams, synchronicities, and inner nudges. 0303 is a powerful call to spiritual authenticity and purpose. What does angel number 0303 mean for love? In love, angel number 0303 speaks of open communication, emotional growth, and mutual joy. It signals that honesty and heartfelt expression are key to deepening romantic bonds. For couples, it suggests renewing the emotional connection through laughter, creativity, and understanding. For singles, 0303 encourages openness to new experiences and being authentically yourself to attract meaningful love. It may also indicate a playful, light-hearted relationship is on the horizon. This number emphasizes balance between individuality and togetherness, encouraging relationships built on joy, support, and spiritual alignment rather than dependency or control. What does angel number 0303 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 0303 represents energetic harmony, open dialogue, and creative expression within the union. It suggests the twin flame journey is evolving into a more joyful and communicative phase, with both souls being guided to speak their truths. If you're in separation, it could signal a spiritual prompt to heal through self-expression or artistic outlet. If united, it's a call to co-create something meaningful together. The repeated threes promote emotional openness, while the zeros remind you of the spiritual nature of your bond. This number is a sign of divine support and joyful reunification. What does angel number 0303 for manifestation? Angel number 0303 indicates powerful manifestation through joyful energy and creative intention. The threes reflect optimism, expressive energy, and the power of ideas, while the zeros represent divine potential and spiritual alignment. This number suggests that your thoughts and words are shaping your reality, so it's important to maintain a positive mindset and clearly visualize your goals. Manifestation is especially effective when your desires are aligned with joy and service to others. 0303 encourages you to focus on the feeling behind what you want and to trust the process, knowing the universe responds to your vibration. How does angel number 0303 affect finances? Financially, angel number 0303 encourages innovation, flexibility, and positive thinking. It may indicate a time to consider new ventures, use creative talents to generate income, or rethink how you approach money. The number reminds you that abundance flows more freely when you're aligned with your passions and express your authentic self. Opportunities could arise through communication-based careers or artistic pursuit. The energy of 3 brings optimism and resourcefulness, while the zeros suggest limitless potential when spiritually aligned. Trust that financial stability will follow when you lead with inspiration, generosity, and a confident belief in your ability to thrive. What does angel number 0303 mean for former relationships? Angel number 0303 in the context of former relationships signals emotional healing and the opportunity for closure through honest reflection and communication. It encourages you to learn from past experiences and release emotional baggage with compassion. This number invites you to reconnect with your inner joy and not let past heartbreaks block future love. It also suggests that your angels are helping you find peace and balance. Whether reconciliation is possible or not, 0303's message is to choose emotional freedom, speak your truth, and let your heart remain open to love that truly resonates with your soul. How does angel number 0303 guide your work life? In your career, 0303 inspires creativity, innovation, and effective communication. It suggests you're entering a period where your ideas and self-expression can lead to new opportunities. This number urges you to trust your instincts and express your talents, especially in roles involving writing, speaking, teaching, or creative design. It may also signal collaboration or working in teams where energy and ideas flow freely. If you're feeling stagnant, 0303 encourages a playful mindset and fresh approaches. Your angels support you in building a career that reflects who you truly are and helps uplift others through your unique contributions. What are the strengths of angel number 0303? The strengths of angel number 0303 include creativity, optimism, excellent communication, and spiritual insight. Those influenced by this number are often gifted with imagination, charisma, and the ability to inspire others. They thrive in environments that allow for freedom and artistic expression. Their joyful nature attracts opportunities and relationships that reflect lightheartedness and authenticity. With the support of divine energy, 0, they also possess a deep spiritual connection that fuels their growth and intuition. These individuals can adapt easily, uplift others, and use their words and ideas to create positive change in both personal and collective spaces. What are the weaknesses of angel number 0303? Weaknesses of angel number 0303 can include scattered focus, avoidance of routine, and emotional impulsiveness. While creativity is a gift, it may become a challenge if not grounded with discipline. People influenced by 0303 might struggle with commitment or procrastination, especially when bored or uninspired. They may also overextend themselves by chasing too many ideas at once. Additionally, their emotional expressiveness, while valuable, can sometimes lead to drama or misunderstandings if not tempered with mindfulness. This number reminds you to balance spontaneity with structure, and to direct your talents purposefully rather than letting them disperse without clear intention.